All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Slopey. This has never been done in human history. I'm gonna race Slopey with my two sweet feet. Ready? Come on. That was taking so long. Guess Tokushima time is slower. I'm on California time from the Yay area. There we go. I'll kick its ass, dude. I'm gonna take a nap. Oh shit, he's speeding up. Oh fuck. What, Slopey on steroids? Oh shit, I dropped some shit. I got an easy pace going on. The Pocari Sweat building. It's a guy, his name's Pocari. They milk his sweat every day to make sweet energy drinks. You should try it. You know, next time you're doing heroin, you're all fucked. Drink some Pocari Sweat. Dude, easily beat this machine. You guys are scared of AI? Yeah? Look at that. I just beat one of the master robots. In the goddamn foot race. Watch. Ooh, door to door. Haha, Slopey, I kicked your ass. In your face. Oh, in your face, Slopey. Slopey sucks.